All right, so we are back in the swing of things here. So I've been trying to get this for, gosh, 2 months now almost. This is a Goodwill Lego Blue box. So this cost me $65. It's 60 bucks plus $5 to ship it. And I've been trying to get it. It comes out every single Friday at 6 o'clock. And you have to pretty much get lucky because I've had it in my cart multiple times and then I go to check out and it's gone. So what this is 15 pounds wholesale bulk Lego. It's $59.99, $5 to ship it. I ordered it on Friday. I got really lucky because I got it at like 6:15. Usually comes out at 6 o'clock. You start refreshing, you get in the cart, check out, it's gone. I guess sometimes they have more. So I gave up on Friday at 6 because I checked from like 6 o'clock to 6:05. We got in the car to go somewhere and it was 6:15. I was like, whatever, let's refresh. I refreshed, it was there. I had all my payment information saved and I got it. So I've seen some people get some really cool stuff out of here, and then I've seen other people kind of just get literally 15 pounds of Lego pieces and get nothing. You can get minifigures, you can get sealed bags, you can get Duplo, all kinds of stuff. This is my first experience with this too. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what we have here. All right, so I mean, as expected, it's just a ton of Lego. It's obviously dirty, as you can see. These base plates are actually pretty valuable, all things considered, so maybe this will be worth it. I was hoping to get some minifigs or something. So let's go ahead and maybe dump this out on the table. Kind of see what I get. Little car here with an eagle on the side, and it's supposed to be all guaranteed to be real Lego, not anything fake. All over the place. Oh, I got a minifigure. So that's not a bad start. Come to it. Minifigures are where it's at. A sticker set. So this might actually, there might be something in here that's a decent set. See if I can get all this out on the table. Doing it everywhere. You take a chance, obviously. You know, it's a Goodwill bag. You don't know what you're gonna get. You're gonna get just 15 pounds of Lego. There's Lego everywhere. It's all over the living room, but we're gonna go to town. I don't care. This is definitely fake. I guess not too much of a surprise. We got a City Pizza guy here. So this, as you can see, is just pretty much just bulk pieces. Although actually, this sure looks like it could be an X-Wing. This whole thing could be worth it just for this. So I'm going to try to figure out what this is. It looks like a Star Wars X-Wing. So I'm gonna try to figure out what this is, and then hopefully we can get all the pieces out of here. So I'm gonna go through here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to separate anything that's Duplo related, put that off to the side, give that to my kids because they play with Duplo, and then we're going to separate everything else, see what we have. Minifigures. I have a minifigure head here. So I'm going to go through, get everything separated, figure out what we have here, what's Lego, what's Duplo, what's fake, and then I'm probably going to sell the majority of this, honestly. But pretty cool. I mean, I think that for 65 bucks, what I got is definitely, just eyeballing it in-house, probably worth it. Probably mostly for this. I didn't expect there to be this much Lego. A little bit of cardboard trash there. But we're gonna go through, separate everything, and I'll let you guys know what we have. And also, these, like I said, these face plates here, these are probably 10 bucks right here, 15 bucks. This looks like this is part of an X-Wing, so making some progress. If I can get an X-Wing out of this, I think that would be worth it. So this probably goes on just like this. Yeah, so this is definitely not an X-Wing that I have. So this is probably an older one. So if I can somehow piece together an entire X-Wing, this entire 65 bucks that I spent will be well worth it. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching this video, and there will be more to continue on this video. So now I've got all this mess cleaned up, and I've identified some pieces that I believe, obviously, are a Star Wars X-Wing. Obviously, I mean, it's definitely an X-Wing. Just don't know which one it is. So this whole box could be worth it just for this. Obviously, we gotta find the rest, but there's a ton of pieces in here. I've identified a couple minifigures. Don't know what they're from, but it seems to be like a lot of old Lego. Some of the Lego pieces in here are definitely different and have different like labels than I'm used to. Like, this isn't a piece I normally see. Definitely has a different like writing that I'm used to. It's definitely 15 pounds, that's for sure. So I got the 3 minifigures, got some Duplo, with this little horse. So I think it's worth it so far. The 60 bucks that I spent on, or $65 we'll call it. Some Mega Blocks that I gotta get rid of. But overall, I think this is gonna turn out to be a pretty decent, this is actually Lego. I think it's gonna be a pretty decent buy. Some of it's a little dirty, as we can see. This all says Lego on it too. This is definitely old, like this is clear, but you can tell it has some sun damage or whatever. Some cars here, different things. I don't know what they're from. Obviously they're Lego City, but we have a little truck here, a part of it, a camper. This half of a vehicle or whatever. So I definitely have to go through this stuff and figure out what exactly I have. Another little minifigure head I just dropped. So I definitely have to go through here and figure out what we have. I'm going to do some research and look up what exactly this X-Wing is, because I would have to say that since we have the 4 wings and everything, it's a good possibility that this is probably complete and this is probably worth it. An old X-Wing is probably worth about 100 bucks or so. Obviously it doesn't have the minifigures, but it looks like somebody just gave their X-Wing to the Goodwill, unfortunately, for whoever did that. But fortunate enough for me. So I'll figure this out, get this together. I'll probably make another video, but overall, I'm just gonna keep this as my my unboxing of the Goodwill blue box, what we'll call it. I think I have these backwards, whatever. This is the Goodwill Lego blue box. Again, 65 bucks basically, $60 plus $5 shipping. Got here pretty quickly. I ordered it Friday, got here today. It's Thursday, so not too bad for like Goodwill shipping or whatever. We'll see what this is worth. Make some follow-up videos, probably get another one of these. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is worth it? If I piece all this out, sell it out, probably make a profit. So we'll see, it's probably what sells out. So, another minifigure that I didn't identify here. So thank you guys for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.